Okay, this keyboard needs help. This is worse than I thought. Time for a deep clean. First the keys come off, and yeah, that's disgusting. I did not expect this much dirt. Now the keycaps get their spa day. Now we clean everything out.
Bruh.
Everything goes back together. Almost done. That looks so much better. What should I clean next?